Today we will start chapter number 2, square and square root. First definition, square of a number is the product of the given number with itself. Square of a number n is written as n square and is equal to n into n. Therefore, n square is equal to n into n. For example, 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. First, the number which can be expressed as the product of two identical numbers are known as perfect square or square numbers. Therefore, 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. are perfect squares. For example, 784 prime factorization 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, 2 into 2 one pair, 2 into 2 second pair, 7 into 7 third pair. 6 factor can be grouped into 3 pairs. It means 784 is a perfect square number. Properties, no square number ends with 2, 3, 7 और 8. कोई भी आपके पास डिजिट है और उसकी यूनिट डिजिट 2 में है, 3 में है, 7 में और 8 में है. It means this number is not a perfect square. If a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then the number can be a square number. लास्ट डिजिट में 0 है, 1 है, 4 है, 5 है, 6 और 9 है. It means is a perfect square number. Can be a perfect square number, not compulsory. However, does not mean that all the numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 are perfect square. For example, 11 ends with 1, but it is not a perfect square. 3. If the number ends with 5, then its square number also ends with 5. For example, consider the number 5, 15 and 35, but 5, 15 and 35 are not a perfect square. Between the squares of number n and n plus 1, there are exactly 2n non-perfect square number. This is a property of non-perfect square number. Fifth, a square number can only have even number of zeros at the end. 6. The square of odd numbers are odd and the square of even number are even. Exercise 2.1, question number 1. Find the square of the following. 35 square is equal to 30 plus 5. We can write 20 plus 15. We can write 15 plus 15. We can write 10 plus 25. It means and sum of any two number. 34 plus 1 is already correct. 32 plus 3 already correct. Sum of any two number is square. Using the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This value compared to this value. A is equal to 30 and b is equal to 5. Put the value of right hand side. 20 square, 30 square plus 2, 30 into 5 plus b value 5 square. 30 square 900, 2 into 30 into 5 is equal to 300. 5 square is equal to 25. Sum of three number 12, 25. Same as B part. 100 square is equal to 90 plus 10. Sum of two number square. 89 plus 1 also correct. 80 plus 20 also correct. 50 plus 50 also correct. 30 plus 70 also correct. Sum of any two number whole square. Use the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Sum of any two number whole square, but use only this identity. Okay, 90 square plus 2, 90 into 10 plus 10 square. 8100 multiply 3 number 1800 plus 10 square 100. Sum of 3 number is equal to 10000. 90 square, same this type, sum of 2 number whole square, use this identity. Answer will be 81,100. 25 square, 20 plus 5 whole square, sum of any 2 number whole square, sum of 2 number square, this identity. Answer will be 625. Question number 2. Look at the ones digit of the following numbers and find the numbers which cannot be perfect square given reason. This is two properties. First, we know that the ending digit of perfect square is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Second, a number ending in 2, 3, 7 and 8 can never be a perfect square. 2058 unit digit is 8, it means cannot be a perfect square. 1543 3 is a unit digit and 2378 जिसका लास्ट डिजिट होता है वो कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. तो इट मीन्स 1543 3 इज last unit digit cannot be a perfect square. 3 times 0, 3 is odd number, cannot be a perfect square. 0 digit 0 digit 0 digit 0 cannot be a perfect square. 8 cannot be a perfect square. 7 cannot be a perfect square. 9 cannot be a perfect square. Apply this unit. Can be a perfect square. Question number 3. The square of which of the following numbers would be an odd number? 237. 237 odd number, square is also an odd number. 452 even number, square is also an even number. 1001 odd number, square is also an odd number. 509410 is even number, square is also an even number. 1565 is odd number, its square is also an odd number. 1213 is odd number, square is also an odd number. 44 even number, square is also an even number. 2956 even number, square is also an even number. Next, question number 4. Express the following number as the sum of odd number. 25. 25 को आपको इस टाइप से एक्सप्रेस करना है कि सारे नंबर ऑड फाइंड करने हैं. इट मीन्स 1, 3 प्लस 5 प्लस 7 प्लस 9. आप इनका ऑड कर सम करके देखो ऑड नंबर का. 25 फाइंड होगा. इन कितने ऑड नंबर्स हैं? हाउ मेनी ऑड नंबर्स? 1 2 3 4 5 ऑड नंबर्स. मीन्स 5 ऑड नंबर्स का सम क्या फाइंड हो गया आपको? 35. सेम एज 36. 1 3 5 7 9 11 6 odd numbers. 6 odd number sums will be 36. 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 7 9 odd number sums will be 81. 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 8 odd number sums will be 64. Okay.